Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is Theorem-04. This is called ASA theorem. ASA means angle, side angle. So my dear student, today is our lecture number 20 of annual term. I repeat, today is our lecture number 20 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 19. My dear student, today's CW will be your SW. So before starting to solve our class, at first we read the question. That means the theorem say that if two angles and the adjoining side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and the adjoining side of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. My dear students, notice, suppose this is a triangle and this name of the triangle is ABC. This is another triangle and name of this triangle is DEF. So my dear students, please justify these two triangles according to your given information. So my dear students, here the two sides, that means this side and this side, okay, this side and it's two angles, that means this angle and this angle, and on the other hand in this triangle this angle and this angle are equal, just like we call angle B equal angle E and angle C equal angle F. I hope you have understood. And their adjoining side, that means angle B and angle C, their adjoining side is BC, which is equal to the adjoining side of angle E, angle F. If this happen, then these two triangles will be congruent. I repeat, suppose the two angles of ABC, angle B and angle C is equal to the two angles of angle E and angle F of triangle DEF, and also the side BC equal to the side EF, then these two triangles will be congruent. So my dear students, we need to prove that. Okay, now we draw the figure. Okay. Again, now the name of the first triangle is ABC and second triangle is DEF. My dear students, how to draw the figure in your copy? First of all, you take a line. Suppose you take line whose measurement is 4 cm and BC 4 cm and EF will be also 4 cm. Then you take a midpoint. After that, in that midpoint you draw another point which is above BC and EF and which is the same distance of BC and EF. After that you add AB, AC and add DE and EF. Then it will be similar triangle. You must draw the triangle, both are same. So, my dear student, the particular enunciation is in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and the side BC equal to the corresponding side EF. It is required to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. I hope you have understood. Now I write this particular enunciation. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and the side BC equal to the side, to the corresponding side EF. So, it is required to prove that, it is required to prove that triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF. I hope you have understood. My dear students, I repeat, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle E, and the side BC equal to the corresponding side EF. It is required to prove that triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF. Now we shall go to our proof. My dear student, please notice, if we place the triangle ABC on triangle DEF, so the point B must fall on the point E, and the side BC falls along the side EF, and the point A falls on the same side of EF as D. Again, if BC equal to EF, so the point C must coincide with F. I repeat, my dear students, if we place the triangle ABC on the triangle DEF, so the point B must falls on the point E. The side BC falls along the side EF, and the point A falls on the same side of EF as point D. As BC equal to EF, so the point C must falls on the point F. So I write this proof. Placed the triangle ABC on the triangle DEF, so the point B falls on the point E. The side BC falls along the side EF, and the point A falls on the same side of EF as D. I hope you have understood. Now, as BC equal to EF, as BC equal to EF, so C must falls on the point F. So our first part is done. That means we place ABC triangle on the triangle DEF. Next, my dear students, as angle B equal to angle E, so we can say that the side BA falls along the side ED. Again, as angle C equal to angle F, so we can say the side CA falls along the side FD. I repeat, as angle B equal to angle E, so the side BA falls along the side ED. And again, as C equal to angle F, so the side CA falls along the side FD. Now we write this as angle B equal to angle E. So the side BA falls along the side ED. Again, as angle C equal to angle F, so the side CA falls along the side FD. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, notice A is common point. A is common point of which side? Side BA and CA. Notice the common point A of BA and CA coincide with the common point D. D is the common point of which side? DE and DF. I hope you have understood. That means this point A is coincide with the point D. So we can say the common point A of BA and CA is coincide with the common point D of ED and FD. Right now, the common point A of the side BA and CA coincide with the common point of the sides ED and FD. I hope you have understood. That means the common point A coincide with the common point D. As B is fall on E, A is fall on D and C is fall on F. So we can say that triangle ABC falls on the triangle DEF. So my dear students, that is the triangle ABC falls on the triangle DEF. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF. My dear students, please notice there is a correction. The common point of A of the sides BA and CA coincide with the common point of D of sides ED and FD. But in your book, the information is wrong. So you must write this theorem from this class. You must write this theorem from this class. Here, that is the triangle ABC falls on the triangle DEF. This line is going to be merged with this lined. So it is unnecessary information. So you write just like this. So I hope you have understood. At a glance, place triangle ABC on the triangle DEF, just like the point B falls on the point E. The side BC falls along the side EF, as point BC equal to EF, so the point C falls on the point F. Falls on the point of angle B equal to angle E, so BA falls along ED. Again, as angle C equal to angle F, so the side CA falls along FD. So the point A coincide with the point D. As a result, we can say that this whole triangle, that means triangle ABC, falls along the triangle DEF. Therefore, we can say that B falls E, A falls D, C falls on F. So we can say triangle ABC congruous to triangle DEF. So my dear students, I hope you have understood. You read the questions at least 3 or 4 times, then it is easier for you and you can easily answer these questions. My dear students, if you don't understand in any portion of the theorem, you must make a phone call to me. My phone number is given there. And I hope you have understood my today's lectures. This is your SW also. This is your SW also. I repeat, you don't write this from your textbook. You must follow the class, because there are some correction in your book. Okay. So my dear students, please follow the books and correct the information on your book. So my dear student, you must do your ASA in SW in your SW copy. Your each SW carries 2.5 marks, and based on your SW performance you will get SBA, Diary and City marks. So don't neglect SW. Your SW is submitted by your parents or any other person in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm and collect it next Sunday after completing checking. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.